Hello everyone, Fred here. Hey, thanks for stopping by today. Guess what day it is? It's oil change day. Past due. This was supposed to be done back in March, April. We're going September. Yeah, I'm behind. So let's do an oil change on the truck. So putting in 5W20 full synthetic. This is Super Tech, Walmart brand. Traditionally I was a Mobile One, but Mobile One is so expensive. And Super Tech has all the same certifications that Mobile One has, as well as many of the other big name brands, and it's so much cheaper. So I use full synthetic Super Tech. I see no harm in that. I change it yearly. So the truck's over here all ready to go. I prop it up using this method. Alright, should have a pretty good view right there. See what we can do. Alright, drain away. Using the new plug for the drain valve. That was pretty easy. No tools required. We'll just let that drain. Once this is all drained, we will go to the next step, which is the oil filter. We'll pop that on and be good to go. A little breeze today, not too bad. Slowing down a little bit. Breeze is picking up. So definitely like the valve. Doesn't seem like that was 7 quarts coming out of there, but I just checked it a couple weeks ago. Of course, when it goes into this big pan, I've got out my diesel truck pan. Yeah. Little different view underneath the F-350. Everything's big under here, guys. There's nothing tiny. Here we'll pop over for the back view. Back view of the F-350. Somewhere under here I've got a rattle, and I don't know where it is. There's a rattle somewhere. When I go in reverse, it rattles. Heat shield, probably heat shield around the muffler. But, yep. Transmission's right here. Transmission pan. Hey, Fishy Comics, I need to change my transmission fluid. Can you help me? Never done one. That even tells you the gasket. Pan is equipped with a reusable gasket. I guess that makes life real easy. That'll be a job for another day. Alright, I'm going to shut this off and we'll do the oil filter. Alright. Move this over. Let's see if I can get this off without the puller. And the camera fell. Guess what? I can't move it anyway. This little tripod is not going to work good in the grass. Let me go get the oil puller. There we go. That was on there pretty tight. That was on there pretty tight indeed. And I just got up and I forgot to bring back the other oil filter. So guess what? We'll drain that. Let that drain for a second. And I'll yet go again and make another trip. Should always have all of your materials readily available for you under the truck or your vehicle. Alright guys, I'm back. Placing with K&N. Couldn't remember if I bought K&N or Motorcraft. Usually I go with whatever's cheaper. So K&N part is HP 2010. Motorcraft is FL 820, S as in Sam. Same thing. Same deal. So let this drain a couple more minutes. Put the new filter on. And we will be good to go. Yep, this is where it could get real messy real quick. This is where you just do it. Push up, hold that oil filter against the top, and just let it come out. And just do that. That's where it gets real ugly. I got oil running all the way down my arm. And we're just going to put that right inside that pan, just like that. So clean everything up here. And put the new filter on. We're ready for that. So K&N going on. Make sure you put it on straight. There you go. Now we use our tool. Since I don't have a good angle, we'll tighten it up a little bit. Make sure it's on there good. Doesn't have to be super tight, but you don't want it falling off either. Alright. No leaks. I've got that back up there good. Yep. Alright guys, we're done under here. Alright guys. Oh, we need some battery maintenance here. Yes we do. Guess what I'm doing after this video? Battery maintenance video. Need to clean that up. Anyway, we are here to fill 5W20 right there. Let me go get the went and retrieve the funnel so we can do this. There we go. It's in there sturdy. Alright guys, let me go get the oil. Start pouring. So this takes 7 quarts. So we're going to put in a full 5. And I'll put in another 2. And then we'll start it up and see what we have. You can hear that morning dove. I like the sounds of mourning doves. So we'll let that go in. There we go. Put that over here in the grass. Yep. Put that over there to drain. Cap's back on. Oil dipstick is right here. Ugh. Of course, it's so hard to reach when you're up 6 feet in the air. Let's put that back down in. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you can see it, but we are it was definitely right at the top of the ad mark. Oh, where's that hole at again? All right. So not too bad. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go wash my hands, and we'll put the hood down, start it up, pull it up on the driveway, take another measurement. So I'll be right back. Okay. Just pulled the truck up. But, let's see what we can get here. Let's check the oil now. Let's see what we have. Okay, it's wiped off. Put it back in. It's like you have to twist it while you're putting it in. And then halfway down, you have to reverse your twist. Very strange. Oh well. And I have no clue. It looks like it's at the top of the mark, but there was so much oil in the tube. It looks like it's at the top of the mark, though. That's okay. I know there's 7 quarts in there, so I'm happy with that. All right, everyone. Well, take a look at my beautiful truck. Nice and shiny. Just took it through the truck wash the other day. Oh, yeah. All right, everybody. Well, if you found this video helpful, humorous or otherwise, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Many more videos to come. You never know what I do. Fred here. Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you later.